Within our expansive solar system, where the sun radiates as the central celestial body, sporadic abnormalities and mysteries captivate the curiosity of astronomers and fans alike. Recently, a mysterious phenomenon occurred when amateur astronomers saw a massive, round, unidentified object in close proximity to the sun. This observation, recorded by solar observatories, has ignited conjecture and discussion over its essence and source, mainly because this isn't the first time that this mysterious object has been observed close to the sun. The discovery of the mysterious object was first reported by amateur astronomers and researchers who were analyzing data from NASA's Solar and Heliospheric Observatory and the Solar Dynamics Observatory. These space-based observatories are equipped with advanced instruments capable of capturing high-resolution images and videos of solar activity, including solar flares, coronal mass ejections, and other phenomena. In the midst of routine observations of the sun's dynamic behavior, astronomers noticed a peculiar anomaly near the solar limb, a large, circular object appearing to hover close to the sun's surface. This is one recent image that has been circulating, and it seems to depict what appears to be a massive black object hovering just above the sun. Since these enormous craft are coming straight from NASA and other space organizations, we know they are real. Initial analysis of the imagery revealed a distinct, perfect circular shape and structure, contrasting sharply with the surrounding solar corona. The object's proximity to the sun presented a challenge for researchers attempting to discern its true nature, and the intense heat and radiation emitted by the sun make it difficult for spacecraft and telescopes to operate close to its surface, limiting the duration and clarity of observations. Despite these challenges, astronomers managed to capture multiple images and videos of the mysterious object as it traversed near the solar limb. Speculation about the identity of the object ranged from natural phenomena to more exotic possibilities. While many who have viewed this shot have speculated that it's a coronal mass ejection, others have noted that they are often observed as jets of plasma rather than perfectly formed black circles, and that they are never seen in this shape. The sun's outer atmosphere, known as the corona, is the source of stunning and potent eruptions of solar plasma and magnetic fields, known as coronal mass ejections. With the ability to release enormous amounts of solar material into space at speeds ranging from hundreds to over 2,000 kilometers per second, these occurrences rank among the most energetic events in our solar system. The dynamics of the sun's magnetic field and the process by which plasma is ejected from the solar corona determine the forms of coronal mass ejections. Coronal mass ejections can occasionally be seen as a wide, fan-shaped structure or expanding plume coming from the sun's limb. The massive release of magnetic energy and solar material causes these plumes to travel over great distances in the solar corona and into the interplanetary region beyond. Although the majority of coronal mass ejections have a roughly symmetrical or fan-shaped appearance, irregular or asymmetrical shapes can result from the complex dynamics of the solar corona or from the interplay of several magnetic loops. Some proposed that it could be a previously unknown type of solar phenomenon, such as a rare configuration of magnetic fields or plasma dynamics interacting in the sun's outer atmosphere. Others suggested the object might be a comet or asteroid on a trajectory that brought it unusually close to the sun, although its circular shape and apparent stability raised questions about this hypothesis. As images and data of the unidentified object circulated within the groups that investigate strange phenomena, public interest in the discovery grew. Social media platforms and online forums buzzed with theories and interpretations, with some individuals speculating about advanced origins or the presence of technology capable of withstanding the sun's extreme conditions. Interestingly, those who believe that this is an unidentified object have suggested that objects could be utilizing the sun as a potential energy source for powering their spacecraft. The sun, a massive nuclear fusion reactor at the center of our solar system, radiates immense amounts of energy into space. This energy, in the form of sunlight and solar radiation, represents a virtually limitless resource compared to finite fuel sources on Earth. For a technologically advanced civilization capable of interstellar travel, tapping into the sun's energy could provide a sustainable and abundant power supply for spacecraft propulsion and operations over vast distances. One concept for utilizing the sun's energy in space travel involves solar sails, large reflective surfaces that capture and reflect sunlight to generate propulsive force. Solar sails operate on the principle of radiation pressure, where photons exert a small amount of pressure when they strike a surface, and this pressure, although extremely subtle, can accumulate over time to accelerate spacecraft to high velocities without the need for traditional fuel. UFOs equipped with advanced solar sail technology could maneuver through the solar system by adjusting the orientation of their sails to capture sunlight and harness radiation pressure. By leveraging the sun's energy in this way, UFOs could potentially achieve efficient and continuous acceleration over long distances, enabling rapid transit between star systems or within our own solar neighborhood. Another theoretical approach involves directly converting solar energy into electrical power for spacecraft systems. Advanced solar cell technologies, capable of converting sunlight into electricity with high efficiency, could provide a reliable energy source for UFOs operating in the vicinity of the sun. These solar arrays could be integrated into the spacecraft's exterior surfaces or deployed as external panels to maximize energy capture. Theoretical UFO designs might incorporate sophisticated energy storage systems to store excess solar energy for use during periods of reduced sunlight, such as when traveling through deep space or eclipsed by planets. This would ensure continuous operation of critical systems and propulsion mechanisms without relying on traditional fuel sources. UFOs navigating the solar system could also leverage the sun's gravitational field to achieve complex orbital maneuvers and gravity assists. By carefully plotting trajectories around the sun and utilizing gravitational slingshot maneuvers near planets, UFOs could conserve onboard fuel and optimize their travel routes. This strategy is commonly employed by spacecraft like NASA's Parker Solar Probe, which uses multiple gravity assists from Venus to achieve close encounters with the sun. Theoretical UFO designs might incorporate advanced navigation systems and autonomous control algorithms to calculate precise trajectories and execute complex maneuvers in the dynamic environment near the sun. By harnessing gravitational forces and solar energy in tandem, UFOs could achieve unprecedented speeds and maneuverability in their exploration of the solar system and beyond. For amateur astronomers and researchers alike, the sighting of the large circular object near the sun served as a reminder of the vastness and complexity of our solar system.